What is anaerobic digestion and how does it work? Anaerobic digestion is a process that breaks down organic matter to produce methane gas and carbon dioxide. The process occurs in the absence of oxygen, and it can be used to treat sewage and other waste materials. In an anaerobic digester, bacteria break down the organic matter and release methane gas. This gas can be used to generate electricity or heat, or it can be burned for fuel. The anaerobic digestion process also produces a nutrient-rich fertilizer that can be used to improve plant growth. In addition to being an environmentally friendly way to dispose of waste, anaerobic digestion also has the potential to provide a renewable source of energy. The benefits of anaerobic digestion. Anaerobic digestion is a process whereby organic matter is broken down by bacteria in the absence of oxygen. This process can occur naturally, or it can be enhanced through the use of an anaerobic digester. Anaerobic digestion has a number of benefits, both for the environment and for businesses. Firstly, anaerobic digestion can help to reduce the amount of waste sent to landfill. This is because the process of anaerobic digestion produces methane, which can be used as a renewable energy source. Secondly, anaerobic digestion can also help to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions associated with the decomposition of organic waste in landfill sites. Finally, anaerobic digestion can also be used to produce fertilizer, which can be used to improve soil quality and promote plant growth. Consequently, anaerobic digestion is a process with a range of benefits that should be embraced by businesses and individuals alike. The different types of anaerobic digesters. Anaerobic digestion is a process that uses microorganisms to break down organic matter in the absence of oxygen. This process can occur in both natural and man-made environments, and there are a variety of anaerobic digesters that are used for different purposes. The most common type of anaerobic digester is the mesophilic digester, which is used for treating wastewater. These digesters operate at moderate temperatures, between 20 and 40 degrees Celsius, and they are typically used for processing manure, food waste, and other organic materials. Thermophilic anaerobic digesters are another type of anaerobic digester that operates at high temperatures, between 50 and 60 degrees Celsius. These digesters are typically used for processing industrial waste, as they can break down tougher materials. There are also anaerobic digesters that use an upflow sludge blanket configuration, which is often used for landfill leachate treatment. Finally, anaerobic sequencing batch reactors, ASPRs, are a type of anaerobic digester that is used for treating sewage. ASPRs have a number of advantages over other types of anaerobic digesters, including their ability to handle variable feedstock concentrations and their comparatively small footprint. Anaerobic digestion in the United States. Anaerobic digestion is a process in which organic matter is broken down by bacteria in the absence of oxygen. The United States has seen a recent surge in anaerobic digestion facilities, as the technology offers a number of benefits over traditional methods of waste management. For one, anaerobic digestion can help to generate renewable energy in the form of methane gas. Additionally, the process can help to reduce the volume of solid waste that is sent to landfills. As a result, anaerobic digestion is becoming an increasingly popular option for waste management in the United States. Thank you for watching.